Bro, what the flip? What the flip is that Dr. Phil's hand coming out? This video falls under fair use copyright law. Guys, it's 3 AM right now and today we're gonna be watching funny Dr. Phil moments at 3 AM, guys. And what actually happens when you do this is you summon Dr. Phil to your house at 3 AM, guys. This is crazy, guys. Let's get straight into this. Alright guys, here is the video. All videos belongs to the rightful owners. Do not attempt to recreate activities shown in the video. If there is any copyright issue or you want me to delete your clip, contact me liveplus@hotmail.com, whatever. Anyways guys, it's time to watch these best moments or funny moments wherever this is. And guys, Dr. Phil's gonna show up, guys. This is such a strange thing, guys. Alright, let's start watching this.
Bailey, how are you?
Not good.
Yeah, why is that?
I was told that y'all brought someone here that I explicitly said not to bring.
Would you like to leave? Because you can certainly leave, because nobody tells me who to put on my show, including you. So,
and y'all can laugh at me. It's fine. I will be your spectacle. I will be your laughing spectacle. You can all laugh at me.
well, you know what? I think we're just going to shut this down, because I'm not into all this melodrama and you playing the victim and everything.
Seeing a black person is like going to the zoo. You only want to go there a few times, but if you go there all the time, you know everything that goes on.
That's like a tired record. You only have about 6 things you say, and after you say them, it's just
honestly learning every day, and I am growing. And I feel like all because I chose not to go to college right now.
Okay, wait a minute. Let's stop that right now. That's a complete load of crap. And you say you watch me and you take notes. Well, take this note. But you take your parents' car and go driving around?
Twice over summer.
Okay, I don't think that's true, which means I don't think you're telling the truth, but let's just say that's true. What gives you the right to take someone else's car and go driving around on the streets without a driver's license? First, it's not your car, and second, you don't have a license.
What I don't like about you is the way that you treat me.
We've talked about
What? Oh, heck no. What the?
Yeah.
Why?
For me, it's because my mom might finally be recognized for the abusive mother that she is.
That sounds kind of rehearsed, practiced, and then... Treva, you were drinking out of this water bottle today. We picked it up out of the trash, and you filled this up with vodka, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
And it's still got some in it, a little bit.
Average Russian.
Yeah, you can have it. There you go.
Thanks.
Don't want it now, do you? And I am very...
We all know she would have taken it if he didn't empty it out.
concerned that the idiotic message that you're putting out there could cause an innocent young girl to put herself in harm's way following that logic and get herself hurt. Okay? It has no friends, but it has nothing to do with her not having the right materialistic items.
I have my bags.
What do you mean? Those
My
are your
bags are my
friends?
friends.
Oh my gosh,
Those
bro.
aren't friends, those are inanimate objects.
How do people
Yes.
like this actually exist?
I have here a check from the Dr. Phil Show on City Trust and Savings Bank for $24,979.22, your total indebtedness. If I give you this check to hit the reset button and start over,
I would go to school.
you would go to school. Because that would get you out of debt.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
What the frick?
Well, that ain't happening. Let me please have an intelligent conversation without you two bickering back and forth, because I don't want to hear
I
it.
wasn't bickering. The only.
Is that not what happened? I've got a rewind button and we can damn sure play it back. Okay, stop. What are you hiding?
I don't have anything to hide.
Well, then why are you yelling and so nonstop?
Because I'm angry, Dr. Phil.
Well,
I'm angry. Do you know how it feels when somebody lies about you and tries to make you look crazy in front of everybody? It's funny. But
Actually,
the funny thing is, you're going to be proven to be the liar today,
well,
not me.
Not unless you stop talking.
I'm just angry, Dr. Phil.
Okay.
You can't tell me you care about my child when you don't.
You're going to need to talk to me here for a little bit, or...
Well, let's talk.
Yeah, let's do it.
I have a lot to say.
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah, I do.
What she does makes her happy, then I'm happy. As long as she doesn't say I'm happy.
Whoa, wait a minute, guys. This is what has happened to me in so many 3 a.m. videos. Why does my light just turn on? Why does my light just turn on like that? Okay, so I think that's a sign. Yeah, 3 a.m. is approaching right now. Guys, I think that's a sign that Dr. Phil might actually be showing up to my house, but we still have some something left of this video. I don't know if we'll watch it all, but let's see.
How do you do it safely?
She's healthier than I am.
No, she's not.
Actually, she is.
Unless you're in stage 4 cancer, she is not healthy.
Heart problems. She's healthier than I am.
Oh my God, I can't believe what you just said. To everything I just said to you, forget it. She now told me you have a family history of heart disease. So everything I just told you is worse.
And you know, in fact, she eats healthier than I do.
No, she doesn't.
I take her grocery shopping and the cart is loaded full of fruits and vegetables. I don't even eat that much.
You have brainwashed these people. We did a pre-interview with her, okay?
Okay.
She told us what she had to eat the day that we did the pre-interview with her. He's healthier than you? Then you need to stay here when she leaves, because we're going to put you in the insane asylum. 7 a.m., 4 or 5 donuts while she's cooking breakfast. What did she have for breakfast? A 7-egg omelet with a cup and a half of cheese. She put a full bell pepper, a full onion, and a full package of ham in it. Then she ate 4 or 5 potatoes that she made into hash browns with another full pepper and onion. And that held her for 45 minutes. She probably would have took to eat it. And then she had 4 corn dogs dipped in nacho cheese and a full-size bag of potato chips.
Are you mentally insane?
And you're right, she had a couple of strawberries. You got to get that fruit in there, right? Mm-hmm. And that held her till 11 o'clock. Now she had 3 sandwiches with ham, cheese, mayo, tomato, cucumber, avocados, croutons, bacon bits, and ranch dressing. And she said, "This is where I get my vegetables." So she had tomatoes and avocado smeared in mayonnaise with croutons and bacon bits. Now we get to lunch. She has a large pepperoni pizza. Then at 1 o'clock she has snack number 3, 2 bowls of ice cream with caramel.
How is this all fitting in her?
And then she has a hand-sized bag of M&Ms. Then at 2 she had 2 bacon cheeseburgers, a box of mac and cheese, and 3 bananas. At 3 o'clock, she had 6.
Yo! Why is my phone? What is, bro? What is wrong with my phone? Why was it blinking like? Yo, guys! It's flashing and it's blinking like this. What is wrong with my phone, guys? What the flip? Yo, are you guys seeing this right now, guys? What the flip? What the flip? Guys, the phone is literally turned off. What? Well, I'm gonna turn the phone off completely. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. What is going on, guys? Oh no, I think the Dr. Phil curse, it's coming, guys. Let's continue watching this, guys.
Full-size bag of tortilla chips. For dinner, she had 10 fish tacos with rice and beans. Then she had a whole box of honey buns, a whole box of Hot Pocket loaded potatoes, then at 10, a bag of pepperoni, and along the way, she drank a gallon of sweet tea and 6 candy bars. She eats better. You say to yourself that gives you the right to take somebody else's car.
I don't say anything to myself, I just say, all right, there's a car. There's some keys right in front of me, I know where the car at.
You know where the car at.
What the heck?
Did you go to the 5th grade? No, I'm asking, how far did you go?
I'm gonna kick the living out of that bitch.
Okay. Well, we don't know what you have on your mind or who you think you are, but that's not happening here.
Who the f*** do you think you are?
No. You need to stop right there.
Chill out, guys.
What you're describing.
Video this because she's crazy.
I'm the crazy one, you're the one with the red hair.
You're trying to be me! You're trying to be me! Hysterical! Then why did you dye your hair red?
I did not dye my hair red. Are you jealous?
Wait, what is going on?
At the scene.
Okay, just out of frame are the children. This is a baseball practice for children. But no, we got to get over to the side and bicker about the color of someone's hair. Are you kidding me? 100 pounds in 6 days. Does that make even common sense to you?
I don't know, I'm not a doctor.
Well, you don't need to be a doctor to know you can't lose 100 pounds in 6 days unless they're cutting off body parts.
Why did you kick me out and told me I had to leave because I was bipolar?
I did not tell you to leave because you were bipolar.
You told me to go out because you can't.
She told you to leave because you weren't helping
So
her.
I sleep in a car because you can't handle me?
This is what
I had a month left.
This is
Let
what
me tell you, I would a hell of a lot rather live in a Buick than what you're doing here. I mean, I tried to do an experiment with a bulletproof vest that just left his parents mortified. Now,
From the video, they've been drinking quite a bit.
No, I don't love you, Mom. Ready?
And let his best friend shoot him.
Why are they giving kids guns? Like, are we mental?
Holy.
Dumb stuff.
I just thought how stupid.
You're dumb for giving your kids guns.
Because he's worthless right now.
The 22 and the 9mm.
What kind of a mother
and
would say that?
dented the drywall, didn't break the drywall, didn't shatter the drywall at all. So that's why it opted for that to happen.
well, very responsible.
What? I don't know what this is. But yeah, guys, that was the flippin' compilation of Dr. Phil, guys. So, I'm not really sure what's supposed to happen now. It just passed 3 a.m. Just past 3 a.m. What is this? So, I'm going to just turn this recording off. And I'm going to pick up when something does happen. I'm just gonna chill out and I'm gonna pick you guys up when something does happen. Alright guys, I just...
Because you can certainly leave.
Do you guys hear that? I keep hearing that from the bathroom. What the flip is that sound that's coming from the bathroom? Guys, I'm going to get up and I'm going to go check the bathroom. Let's see what this is, guys. Let's go. Yo, guys. What is that? I hear something from the toilet. What? Is there something in there? Bro, there's literally nothing there. Bro, what the flip? What the flip is that Dr. Phil's hand coming out? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, get down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Hold on. Let me close this up. Alright. I've just closed that. Oh, no. Close this part too. Okay, guys. I've just closed in the secret room, guys. We gotta be really quiet, guys. Dr. Phil is here. I think that's Dr. Phil. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, guys. I'm going to look outside with the camera and see if Dr. Phil is on to us, guys. Let's check it out. Alright, let's put the camera too on this side first. Hold up. It's too tight. Pause. Alright, let's point the camera through and see if Dr. Phil is there, guys. Did you guys see something? I thought I heard something there. Alright, let's just, I don't know if I can point the camera to the other side because it's like not really. Hold on. Let me just open up the other side and let's try and point this out. Tell me if you see anything, guys.
You're disgusting. I'm going to kill you. Give me $200.
Guys, did you see anything there? Oh my gosh, what the flip? Why did the flash just turned on? Oh. Guys, do you think Dr. Phil is still here? Alright, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna chill out on the floor. And I'm going to be on my phone. And we're gonna see what happens next, guys, okay? Okay. Guys, I'm under the I'm under the table and I keep hearing something strange, guys.
I'm gonna kill you.
What is going on? This is where my PC is and everything, guys. But what is this strange noise? Is Dr. Phil walking around? I don't know if the camera can pick that up. But guys, look. I'm just staring over here at this wall. At this giant wall right here that's separating the flippin' secret room from literally Dr. Phil, if he's still out there, guys. Why is Dr. Phil actually at my house? I genuinely don't know. Bro, what? Guys, Dr. Phil just peeked over there. What? I think Dr. Phil just saw me. Bro, guys, what should I do? I think Dr. Phil just saw me. I don't know if he can break through the wall. Oh, I'm gonna try to get up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna try and get out. I'm gonna try and get out. I'm gonna try and get out. I'm gonna try and... Alright. I'm opening it in 3, 2, 1, go. Yo! Dr. Phil!
I'm gonna kill you.